rally about to rain. Straight out of the hospice. Yeah, carrying buckets. The infamous engine for tossing. Oh my god. Still got the mud on from 2019. It's what you're going to be cobbing. Fucking hell. It's closed, Duck. It's closed. B&H, with the fastest drag bikes in the UK, will be here. Cornwall Hospice themselves will be there. Crazy Steve is here. Yeah. And this will be your entrance to your main drag, for whatever reason you want to do. And obviously that's the way on to the field itself. So that's main drag.
Terry, this is for you.
We're expecting burnouts, wheelies and all sorts of things up here. So you'll have your displays and traders across here. Nice big ice cream truck there. All the way up, we're having a hog roast and a barbecue that way. Where that big truck is, that piece of naff there, is going to be the big outdoor marquee with all the bands. So the bands are going to be outside, but you're going to be semi-covered. But if it rains, bring a coat. Camping is starting in that corner and will be all the way down this field. That marquee is open to us. It's where the bar is, and it will be a quiet area. So if you want to go sit down, there's chairs and things inside there, and then you've got the outdoor area there, and I think we're leaving that up, are we?
With band merchandise in the marquee.
Yeah, band merchandise in the marquee. Bands outside, chill out area there. This is where the custom bike show will be. So any sponsors of the rally, they'll have their banners flying there. If you're entering, your bike needs to be there before 10 AM Saturday morning. If you're going to be late, just let us know. The trophies will be on display there. There's quite a few trophies. And those chairs, I do believe, will be scattered all over the place. So if you want a little chair next to your tent, it's first come, first serve. Hell yeah! And there's the toilets! Hey! Now the engine isn't too heavy. It's not too bad. You need to be doing some squats and deadlifts and things. So 125, that is 2019 mud. There's your swinging handle. Hey. That's a good one. What we got there, Richard? What we got?
We have.
Hey! Flags for the engine tossing. Nice. This will be your chill out area with your bar there, and we'll be holding a wedding. That right, Steve?
Yeah, me and him, civil ceremony.
Oh my god, give them. Get ready to rock.
Hell yeah.
Right then, it's Tuesday. 2 more days. We've marked out the field, ignore them. So we're going to try and create a fake road between the tents. Campers probably down the bottom. Hog roast, barbecues going down there, as you can see with the picnic tables. This here will be the huge marquee. Woo! And the bands will be here. And then, just because we're kind, got an absolute crap load of white chairs. But we're having to lay them out right now so that we can jet wash the shit out of them. Because they're dirty. I don't want dirty bottoms. Come on, Steve. Get them clean.
No stone left unturned.
Oh.
For your comfort.
Oh, we got the banner! Yes!
And cable ties.
And cable ties. Trophy marquee going up. Give us a wave. Hey! there's your big band marquee. There's security dog. There's your stage. Nice. Camping's going down. Oh, it's all going down. JS Bree stage. Here we go, speakers are in. Crazy Steve is wet.
I'll do.
I do.
Your knife's a bit smaller today.
Small knife today. Yeah, it's not a rally unless it's a wet rally. Tent's coming. Camper's coming. There's Project 83. We're getting there. Crafty cows here. Awesome. Everything's starting to come together. There'll be an eater in. There's Crafty Cow with Lance. Awesome. They're busy. Not a rally about rain. Roadie number 1.
Hell yeah!
You're right in there. Oh, little monkey.
Hang on. Feel like I picture a pull on then.
Your sex is on fire.
Landed. Yeah, exactly. Get on the beach, get some sun. There's always one, look. There's always one. Starting to fill up the custom bike show. Lovely.
Whoa, good one there, good one.
Here we go, here we go, here we go! Hard luck, boy. I'll tell you what, his second effort was awesome. Round of applause. Here we go. What a throw! Oh, girl. Yes! What a throw! Oh, Terry, here we go, here we go, here we go! Yeah! Good. Oh, my God. Yeah! You all right, Doug? Terry over there. Here we go, here we go, here we go. No, no. Fair play to him. He got it. That's got to be the shortest one yet. Yeah. Yeah, I know, it's not easy, is it? Good effort, good effort. Yeah, good effort, Doug. Yeah. Give it. Good effort. Good effort, Shirley. Is it like that, is it?
Come on.
Oh, yes!
What an absolute mammoth weekend. It's just been incredible. It went up fast and it's come down even faster. And all I can say is the people that attended the Wild Southwest Rally, you are absolute diamonds. I've seen photos of Boardmasters, Reading Festival, where all the people that's gone, they've just left crap everywhere. Tents, rubbish, whatever. You can see behind me, this is the field where only a day ago that marquee was rocking. We're throwing engines, there was a 10, 11 bands in there. This was literally crammed with tents and campers. You couldn't move, all that was full of bikes. B&H was over there. Can you see any rubbish? No. Bikers, incredible community, great, just great. Our clean-up on Sunday morning took a couple of hours, and that was just emptying bins and just moving stuff around. That was it. It's just been incredible. The fact that they've cleaned everything. Thank you.